right now I live in Indonesia, but I used to live in Holland. And when I was 10 years old, my parents decided to move, and I just went with it. So now I'm in Indonesia.
What the feeling shock did you experience in Indonesia?
Well, I think the rules are really different. So in Holland, everything is strict, and you have to follow the rules. And here in Indonesia, it's like more free of a country. So you can basically do almost anything, whatever you want, and you don't have that in Holland. So that's something that shocked me.
Why did you choose to immigrate?
Well, I was only 10 years old, so I didn't really have an option. So I just went with my parents, and that's why, well, I moved to Indo.
Do you have a feeling of returning to your country?
Right now, I don't have a feeling of going back. I think I'm gonna stay here, and I don't really have plans of coming back, and well, I guess that's it.
And last, how long does it take for you to get used to following?
For me, I guess it took around 2 years. You know, I had to learn the language, I had to make new friends, and I had to learn the new traditions. And for me, that took around 2 years.